Right, yo, boys, I have just finished editing this video of today's trade. Now, look, this is just going to be simply 10 minutes of me going on tilt and blowing my accounts. I know what you're thinking. What a dickhead. Trust me, bro. It's silly shit. But appreciate the fact that someone's uploading themselves, going on tilt, blowing accounts. Because every single one of you fuckers watching this shit and every single one of you dorks that are going to go into my comments and then go into my description and tell me what I've done wrong and what I've done fucking correct, right, or whatever fuck you want to say. Every single one of you, do not even chat shit to me. If you're chatting shit to me, if you're chatting shit, but everyone knows you're lying. You've gone on tilt and you've blown accounts, you've lost money and you've fucking fucked up like this. The thing is, you didn't have thousands of people watching you every single day. Whereas I'm about to post this shit and thousands of people are about to see it. And it's going to be on record. But here's the thing, right? Here's the thing. Enjoy this video. Fucking enjoy it. And for those that are fucking wanting and loving me when I fucking lose and fail and love to be in the comments and tell me what I've done wrong and like how shit I am. Today's your day, bro. Today's your day. But I tell you what, if you think this is going to fucking stop me, this video, going on tilt and blowing my accounts, you are so mistaken. So, there's going to be another video tomorrow. You won't even finish this one or you won't even watch this one. But there's going to be another video tomorrow. And we go again. Do I give a fuck? Do I stop? Do I quit? Nah. Everyone that you follow, watch, learn from, trade from, they've all done this shit. The only difference is I've documented my journey from the start. I started this YouTube on a demo account, bruv. Yeah? Showed you passing my first ever funded. Showed you passing my second ever funded. Showed you getting my first ever payout. And now I'm documenting myself to get to all these accounts, right? So the goal for right now is just setting up and be ready for 2026. I just want to be set up for next year. So we're still in it. We're still in the bag. We just got to keep it moving, boys. But yo, enjoy the video. I'm just going to play it the whole way through. But remember, boys, just appreciate that I'm even posting this shit. Because I do not have to post this. I could simply just reset my accounts and start maybe getting a bit of profit and just act like this shit didn't happen and tell you all I did no trade. But understand, when I'm telling you the truth about me blowing accounts and failing, like you're about to go see me do, right? Understand when I tell you, boys, that I'm making 100 grand a fucking month next year, 2 year, whatever it may be, 10k in a month, 10k days, whatever the fuck the milestone may be. Understand, as much as I'm telling you the truth about this shit, I'm more so definitely telling you fucking the truth when I'm doing all the good shit. Trust me. And no one can come at me and tell me that I'm a fucking fraud, because who the fuck else posts and shows this shit? They don't. Simple. And this is why you'll follow, because this shit's relatable. And I understand that. I completely understand that. It almost goes in my favour in a way because of the relatability. But like, yo, facts, bro. Like, this is it. This is trading, bro. This is how we all do it. I know you guys are in the comments and watching this shit. You also do this. And yo, if there's a video that you're gonna relate to today, it's this one. Let's get into the video. Also, lessons have been learned today, though. Don't think I just walk away from today and go, oh, blew my account. No. Lessons have been noted, but that's all for a whole nother video, probably for tomorrow now. But yeah, let's get into it.
Order filled.
Right, boys. So for some reason, the audio just wasn't working today. It does eventually in this video, but just bear with. But straight away, coming into the trade today, I actually wasn't even asked saying anything, which is quite funny. I was so hungry. I just got back from the gym, swimming, and I'd not eaten. I was starving. I couldn't be asked saying a word today. It was one of them days I was super hungry. I was like, fucking Mr. T, bruv. Needed some Snickers. But yo, I exited the trade for some weird, stupid reason today. No reason to at all. So I had a beautiful entry on my first entry, and then look how shit that second entry is. Look how late I am. Like, that's already me up, missing out on that 1 hour that I would have already had if I had just stayed in my entry. Exited, so I'm clearly emotional from the get-go today for fuck knows why, because it was a very valid entry, the first trade, looking at this. But yeah, boys, I go to left, mark out my liquidity. This I'm just marking out for potential reversal zones, so I'm marking out when I may potentially need to put in my break even, which I'll probably do so now. Okay, cool, just as we get into that spot. And then price clearly just decides to reverse. But look where I am, right? I would have already been up 2 hour, nearly 2.5 hours at this point on my first entry. and I'd have already just won that trade, so I'd be up 1.2k and would have passed one of my accounts, two of my accounts. Unfortunately, I'd have passed 3 accounts, yeah, my 2 Tradifies, but instead I decided to be a dickhead. So instead of walking away, doing the smart thing, I'm just impatient. I'm like, fuck this, start gambling now, and from here it just all goes downhill.
Order filled.
What am I doing? So I should be out of the charts now. I've taken 2 trades, that's my rules, and now I'm going to 3. Fucked it.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, just completely just start taking random trades, fucking pew pew pew, all that type of shit. You boys know, don't even act like you don't.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order rejected.
So I forgot to put my lockout rules on my top sub accounts. It's on my Tradify, so you'll hear order filled as well as rejected.
Order filled.
And basically my Tradify accounts have been locked out. But my top step, because I forgot to put the fucking lockout on, or for some reason it's just not on, which it usually is. I just start doing dumb shit. This is why, boys, put your lockout and all your rules into your settings right now. What the fuck am I doing?
Order filled.
Order rejected.
What the fuck am I doing? Oh my god, what am I even doing today? What am I doing today? I've completely just fucking lost my head on it. Oh my god. Just go up. Just fucking go up, man. I can't be arsed with this shit no more. Pissing me off. Just go up. Just all you gotta do is just fucking go up. Just go up, man. Just go up, man. Just go up, man. Please, just go up. Just fucking go up.
Order filled.
Oh, what am I doing? Oh my god. Today was a winning day and I've just fucking fucked it. I exited the trade. Why the fuck did I exit the trade, bro? Do you know what? I feel like it's blowing the account at this point. I can't be arsed.
Order filled.
Order rejected.
Fuck it, man. What am I doing? 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 I can't be arsed. What the fuck? I'm so disappointed in myself today, man. I'm almost at a point where I'm like, you know what? I may just fucking leave the trade and walk away. And if it blows, it blows. And if it gets some fucking profit, get some profit. But at this point, I'm just completely broken my system, broken my rules. It's mad though, because you're in this shit. And I watched a video of some other kid doing like some similar shit the other day. And I'm just like, how was he even doing that? And I'm like, now I'm like, here, I've not eaten today. I'm fucking, what am I doing, bro? I'm self-sabotaging right now, for fuck's sake. Broski, what are you doing? Broski, what are you doing? Broski, what the fuck are you doing, man? Why are you doing this to yourself? I could have just walked away with a W today. What the fuck has just gone into me? Wow, I was fucking, why am I trading right now? Why am I even trading right now?
Order filled.
Why did I just double down? What the fuck is going on? Oh my god, boys, I've completely lost my fucking head. I completely lost my head. I don't know what the fuck's up with me. I do not know what the fuck's up with me. Oh my god, what the fuck is up with me, bruv? What the fuck, man? Bruv, I am a stupid fucking idiot today, bruv. What am I doing? There's like no confidence that this shit's even gonna... What are you doing, bro? What the fuck are you doing? Why are you in this trade right now, G? Why are you in this trade right now, G? There's literally no... There's no fucking strategy going on right now. I'm just gambling, bruv. Oh, I've lost my head. I've lost my fucking head. I've lost my fucking head, bruv. I've fucking lost my head, Anna. I've lost my head, boys. I've completely lost my head. Here we are. Brandon's on tilt.
Order filled.
Fuck it. Fuck it. I've blown the accounts. I've fucking blown the accounts. Right. I've blown the fucking accounts. I don't give a fuck now. Let's look at gold. Why not? Today was a winning. Fucked up, man. I've got $181 left in my balance.
Order filled.
Go on. We've blown the account, boys. It is what it is. It just is what it is. Here I am. I'm literally just like everybody else, trying to do this shit. Like you all know, if you don't know, I'm just someone who's just simply just trying to... I'm just someone who started in January, trying to trade this shit out, learn this shit as much as I possibly can. I'm very clearly human. I do go on tilt. This is the first time I've gone in tilt since, I can't remember. I'll have to pull up the date because I do have a date. Because I track every trade, every single thing, thankfully. But yeah, it just is what it is, boys. It's just simply that. I'll tell you the last day I got on tilt. And there it is. Gone. Just fucking crazy, innit? I was $100 a day from passing yesterday. On these accounts, I think I was like 300 or 800, 300 or 400. I think I was like 5. I don't know. It's actually just doing my fucking edit now. Just whatever. Just fucking blow the account already, man. I just went on self-sabotage today, bro. I could have just simply walked away with a break even or more so a winning trade, but I just held my trade. And I just didn't. Just acted like a fucking idiot instead. But this is the real shit. This is what y'all be doing behind the scenes when nobody's watching. This is what's happening. When nobody's watching, when nobody's watched, right? Everyone that we know, follow, every single person, every single one of them, Mamba Effects, like everyone, right? This is this shit that they've done. They've done this shit. I've been in Mamba Effects' fucking trading group and he talked about blowing accounts. Like, it would talk about blowing an account on a week, every single week. And fucking... But this is the thing, none of these fuckers were tracking the journey. And I've tracked the journey from the beginning. I started this YouTube channel on a fucking demo account. And the fact that I even passed the funding account and got a payout at this point is something, because I have people that have been in this shit for years. But the thing is, this right here, right now, this is a pain. This is a lesson learned. I know what I'll be doing going... Just fucking blow the account, but what are you doing? Going forward, I know what I'll do different. I know what I need to make sure that's in place. I need to have... Yeah, I know exactly what needs to be in place, but yeah. Why is it not blowing the fucking account? Right, there we go. Gone. Boom. Am I missing something here? Am I just blowing something that don't...
Order filled.
Bro, did I have way more? No, it's gone.
Order filled.
Right there, boom. Blew the account, boys. Fucking is what it is. Oh, I found my red lid. Mad. Fucking not had a fucking thing on my lid for fucking all night. Pen's gonna dry out. Yeah, it dried out already. Oh, I'm fuming, bro. My fucking red pen's dried out. Oh, I can't even fucking write on a whiteboard, boys. Look, the whiteboard at the back. I can't even write on it. I can't go blue account. I can't write that. I blew my fucking account. That well hurt my foot. Shit. Oh fuck. Right. Anyway, boys, yo, check it. Right, it's not real money, bro. What did it cost me? $50, bro. And a shit ton of time and stress and energy and fucking ball ache and anxiety. But it's fine. We keep it moving.